Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by identifying where the warning comes from and why it triggered. Open your network settings, then compare the carrier alert to the device's per app data totals so you know which source to trust. Once done, toggle Wi-Fi and immediately restrict background data for the top consumers to stop further charges. This first containment prevents spikes while you prepare deeper fixes. It also gives you a clear baseline to measure improvements against. Now adjust system and app controls to enforce limits. Create a 1/2 GB or percentage cap and set an alert at 80% so you get early notice. Make sure the hard limit is active. Enable Data Saver, turn off Wi-Fi Assist, and reduce sync frequency for mail and social apps. Move automatic backups and large downloads to Wi-Fi only and compress or lower video quality to reduce future usage. These steps finish by validating changes and preparing a fallback. Restart your device so settings take effect, then watch live usage for several hours to confirm lower rates. Use a trusted monitoring app or your carrier portal to compare numbers and ensure the warnings no longer recur. If usage still behaves oddly, reset network settings to clear rogue configurations. And if discrepancies remain between device and carrier, contact the carrier with screenshots. One troubleshooting tip: log timestamps of spikes to pin.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.